Welcome to Cell Biology. Today we'll explore cell structure, organelles, membrane function, and osmosis. This topic appears every year in your OL Biology exam, so mastering it is essential. Here's what we'll cover: cell structure and organelles, how the cell membrane works, osmosis and water movement, and the key differences between plant and animal cells. A cell is the basic unit of life. Every living organism is made of cells. All cells have a cell membrane surrounding cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance where chemical reactions occur. An animal cell contains several organelles. The nucleus controls all cell activity. Mitochondria produce energy through respiration. Ribosomes make proteins, and the cell membrane controls what enters and exits. A plant cell has everything an animal cell has, plus 3 extra structures: a rigid cell wall for support, a large central vacuole storing cell sap, and chloroplasts for photosynthesis. Let's compare them. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large vacuole. Animal cells lack all 3. Both share a nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and ribosomes. The cell membrane is selectively permeable. It controls which substances enter and leave the cell. Small molecules like water pass through, but larger molecules are blocked or transported actively. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules across a semi-permeable membrane, from a region of lower solute concentration to a region of higher solute concentration. This is how cells absorb water. Exam question: which part controls movement of substances into and out of the cell? The answer is the cell membrane, labeled number 1. Remember, the cell membrane is the gatekeeper of the cell. Which structure is in plant cells but not animal cells? The answer is chloroplasts. Both cell types have cytoplasm, a membrane, and a nucleus, but only plant cells have chloroplasts for photosynthesis. If solute is 65% inside and 35% outside, which way does water move? Water moves into the cell from low solute concentration outside to high solute concentration inside. That's osmosis. Osmosis involves the movement of water molecules, not ions or solutes. Remember, osmosis is specifically about water moving through a semi-permeable membrane down the concentration gradient. Common mistake: students say osmosis moves solutes. Wrong. Osmosis only moves water molecules. Solutes move by diffusion. Always specify water when defining osmosis in your exam. Another mistake: confusing the cell wall with the cell membrane. The cell wall provides structural support only. That is, the cell membrane that controls what enters and leaves the cell. Exam tips: always draw and label cell diagrams neatly. Use the term selectively permeable for membranes. When asked about osmosis, clearly state the direction water moves and why. Let's review. The cell is the basic unit of life. The nucleus controls cell activity. The cell membrane is selectively permeable. Osmosis is water moving from low to high solute concentration. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large vacuole that animal cells lack. Both share a nucleus, membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and ribosomes. Know these differences for your exam. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more biology lessons and exam prep. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, past questions, and video tutorials. Good luck with your studies.